Are you too busy to maintain a regular fitness routine? This dilemma plagues many of us, yet the importance of fitness remains paramount. Imagine a solution that fits into your schedule, a 10-minute workout designed for efficiency and flexibility. This workout is not confined to the gym. It can be performed anywhere, at any time. Curious? Good. Because in the next few minutes, you will discover a 10-minute workout that can transform your fitness routine. Now, you might wonder, how can a 10-minute workout be effective? Well, let's dive into it. This workout is designed to get your heart racing and muscles working in a surprisingly short amount of time. It consists of 5 exercises, each lasting for 2 minutes. First up, we have squats. This classic exercise works your entire lower body. Start by standing tall, then bend your knees and lower your body as if you were sitting down on a chair. Keep your back straight and push your hips back. Then push up through your heels to return to the standing position. Repeat this for 2 minutes. Feel the burn in those quads. Next, we move on to push-ups. This exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and core. Start in a high plank position, then lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor. Push your body back up to the starting position. Make sure to keep your body in a straight line throughout the exercise. Again, perform this for 2 minutes. The third exercise is lunges. They target your legs and glutes. Stand tall, take a step forward with one foot, and lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle. Push back up and repeat with the other leg. Keep alternating legs for 2 minutes. On to the fourth exercise, crunches. These are fantastic for your abs. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Curl up and bring your shoulders towards your knees, using your abdominal muscles. Lower yourself back down and repeat. Do this for 2 minutes. Finally, we wrap up with jumping jacks. This is a full body exercise that also gets your heart rate up. Stand straight, then jump and spread your legs while swinging your arms above your head. Jump back to the starting position and repeat. Keep this up for 2 minutes. And there you have it, a quick, effective 10-minute workout. This routine is perfect for those days when you're short on time but still want to get in a good sweat. Just remember, consistency is key. Stick with it and you'll see results in no time. To summarize the key points of this 10-minute workout. First, this routine is flexible. You can do it anytime, anywhere. Second, it's a full body workout. Each exercise targets different muscle groups, ensuring a well-rounded fitness routine. Lastly, no equipment is needed. Your body is your gym. No dumbbells, no machines, just you and your determination. Now you have a fitness routine that fits into any schedule. No more excuses for not staying fit.